Brody got some new biscuits today. They're like some sticky rice cracker things. And he is loving them. He's got a little bit of bedhead there on the right. Is that yummy? Do you like that? Do you like that cracker? Here. Oh yeah, make sure you get it all in your mouth. Here you go. Eat your surfboard. Okay, let's just get a little bit. They kind of just dissolve. And he gets mad when you take his biscuit away. Yummy! Yummy! You're such a big boy! You're such a big boy! Sitting here watching cartoons, eating crackers.